Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your destination for smart, high-quality tech reviews that make life safer, easier, and more efficient. Today, we're taking a close look at a must-have for every car owner, the Redtiger Dash Cam Front and Rear, F7NP. Whether you drive daily, enjoy road trips, or want extra protection while parked, this dash cam delivers professional-level recording for your peace of mind. Starting with video quality, the front camera records in 4K, while the rear captures 2.5K Full HD, ensuring crystal-clear footage for both everyday driving and critical situations. Combined with WDR, wide dynamic range, shadows and glare are balanced perfectly, making license plates, signs, and street details clearly visible. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures a broad view, covering multiple lanes and blind spots, while night vision ensures excellent recording in low-light conditions. This makes it ideal for night driving, city streets, or early morning commutes. One of the standout features is the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. You can connect the dash cam to your phone for instant video access, live view, and cloud storage, while GPS logs your route, speed, and location for full accountability. The 3.16-inch IPS screen makes it easy to review footage directly on the device, and the included 32GB memory card lets you start recording right out of the box. For added convenience, the F7NP also includes 24-hour parking mode, which records motion or impacts even when your car is parked, protecting your vehicle around the clock. Installation is simple, with compact front and rear cameras that don't obstruct your view. The dash cam is lightweight, discreet, and compatible with most vehicles. Whether you're a daily commuter, Uber/Lyft driver, or just want added security for your car, this setup covers all angles. If you're looking for a reliable, high-definition dash cam with front and rear coverage, the Redtiger F7NP is a perfect choice. It combines advanced video quality, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and parking surveillance in a single, affordable package. Check it out on Amazon using the link below, and don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more essential automotive tech reviews that make driving safer and smarter.